Welcome everyone. Today we're making a quick and delicious recipe. It is an alternative to traditional aglio olio if you like your pasta with tomatoes, for example. In Naples they call it spaghetti Sciue Sciue, which means easy and quick spaghetti. Let's see what we need for this recipe. As always, I'll leave the detailed quantities in the description, but for 2 people we're going to need 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes, about half pound or 200 grams of spaghetti, 2 cloves of garlic, some oregano, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. Let's start cooking. Making our sauce is very quick, so we want to get a head start on cooking our pasta. First thing you want to do is to put a pot with 1 liter of water per 100 grams of pasta on the stove and switch it on. While our water heats up, we can start slicing our cherry tomatoes. Use a knife with teeth, as acidic food like tomatoes tends to take your knife's sharpness away. Let's prepare our garlic too. Cut it in half and remove its bud. Garlic bud is not digestible and can cause bad breath. Once our water is boiling, drop our spaghetti in it. When water boils again, add 10 grams of coarse salt per liter. Now we can start preparing our sauce. Put some extra virgin olive oil in a pan and add garlic. When the oil starts frying, we can add our tomatoes. Add some salt. Salt provides flavor and it removes water from our tomatoes, which is going to make our sauce more digestible. Mix, toss, and cover with a lid. Let it cook for a couple of minutes, then use a wooden spoon to squash your tomatoes a little. Remove the lid, as we want to let water evaporate from sauce. When pasta is ready, reduce the sauce heat and add pasta to your sauce. Mix, toss, add oregano, and our pasta is ready to serve. Sprinkle some more oregano for show and try it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you need more ideas for a pasta recipe, watch this video here and subscribe for more. See you next time.